We're examining P062F-00, a communication fault related to lateral acceleration sensing. When it appears, you may see traction and stability warnings, and driver assist features may suddenly drop out. This diagnostic sensor reports stability metrics and orientation data during standard vehicle operation. ESC blends that signal with steering angle and wheel speeds to detect understeer and oversteer in real time. But here's the catch. The sensor's data must travel across the vehicle network to multiple modules. ESC, driver assist logic, and sometimes airbag monitoring all expect consistent motion data to agree on safety decisions. Lost communication often means the module is fine, but its message never arrives, or arrives corrupted.
Common causes are connector pin fit issues, corrosion films, or moisture that interrupts the signal path intermittently.
After collision work, harness tension, misrouting, or disturbed mounting can trigger dropouts only during turns or vibration. Professional diagnostics start by confirming code details, capture conditions, and which modules report the missing message. Because network modules share power and ground, weak battery support or poor grounds can mimic communication failures. Next comes careful connector inspection and pin tension checks, looking for spread contacts and fretting damage. Then technicians do continuity and short testing, flexing the harness to reproduce the fault on demand. Using OEM-level scan tools, they check whether the sensor module appears on the bus and streams stable data. The fix is restoring the communication path, solid power, solid ground, and clean, mechanically sound connections. Only after network integrity is proven should a sensor module be considered suspect and replaced if testing confirms it. After repairs, calibration and relearn steps matter, especially on rebuilt vehicles where mounting angles may have shifted. Verification means checking warning lights, stable live motion signals, and a road test where ESC responds predictably. Bottom line, P062F-00 is a safety-relevant network fault, so insist on documented diagnostics and post-repair validation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cow for more content like this.